in which you today learn how we can integrate a Tally and how we can get a Tally migration with ERPNext. So let's learn. Here, when you want to do a Tally migration or Tally integration, you need to integrate a Tally to ERPNext application. For this, go to the integration, select a Tally integration list and click on Tally integration button, refer the screenshot with the presentation. Users use for data import, data export to create a to-do list, calendar event, notes, file, etc. While doing the migration also. Then when you go to the data import and integration of the Tally, then you need to attach the master data, and these master data may be your sundry creditors, sundry debtors, and all these master has to be processed very precisely, very accurately, because all these data is nothing but your ledgers in accounting books. So while doing the import activity, you need to be very particular and very accurate for the same. So once you prepare your template, then you need to download that template, and you need to upload that template from your local device. Also, once you added the data, then you need to process that, and you need to save that processing for the import activity. So let's go to our ERPNext application. Here I have already opened my browser, and I have already entered my URL in an address bar, and I have landed on a login page of my ERPNext application. Here I have entered my username and password, and now I am going to click on login button. Once I have clicked on my login button, then I will be landed on my home doc type or home module, where I have seen on my right hand side there is a workspace of home doc type, and on my left hand side there is a navigation module bar where I can navigate all my modules. These modules are like home, then help desk, accounting, buying, selling, stock, HR, manufacturing, quality, CRM, then projects, then support, then user, then website, loans, payroll, bill, tools, ERPNext integration, and ERPNext integration. These are the modules available in ERPNext. You can get the access all these modules or some of the modules depending upon your business requirement. So today's topic is how we can integrate a Tally with ERPNext application, or how we can migrate our financial data from Tally to ERPNext application. For that, you need to go to the awesome bar, and in awesome bar you need to type a command Tally integration and migration list. Here, if you select a Tally migration list, then you will be landed on a Tally migration doc type. Here you need to click on add Tally migration button, and once you click on a Tally migration button, then you will be landed on a new Tally migration doc type. Here you can attach your master data by clicking on attach button. Before that, you need to check some of the account settings, like that Tally creator account would be a sundry creditors, and Tally data account would be sundry debtors. So once you click on this attach button, you will be landed on upload. Dialog box will get open. Just select your device, select your template which you already prepared, and click on the upload button. Once you click on the upload button, that file will get connected, get attached to with your ERPNext application database, and then below that you need to make some of the decision whether this data is processed or not, whether this data is imported or not. Then if you check this, and ERPNext system application will automatically check the background activity of this processed or imported not earlier. And then if you are not processed and not imported earlier, then you need to click on the process master data button, and after that you need to save this activity. This way you can migrate and you can integrate your Tally to the ERPNext application. This is the simplest way by doing this activity. Go to Tally migration option, and again you have seen that previously migrated data list will be available over here in ERPNext application. So go to integration, and in integration you will see that so you will see that Tally migration report, and which previously we have done that, and on which date you have done a migration activity. You can get the detailed report. If you want to, again, if you want to migrate something from Tally, then again you need to click and you need to report the same procedure. So this way you can add and migrate all the activity for the Tally. So this is the way you can attach and migrate all the data from Tally, and you can get integrated your Tally ERPNext application to the Tally ERP application to the ERPNext application. So this way you can add and generate a Tally integration activity to ERPNext application. Before that, started to processing master data, you need to be very careful, because this data is get exported from Tally that consists a chart of accounts, customers, suppliers, their addresses, items, measure of unit, and all the taxation ledger details, where all financial transactions effect is going to be added to these all ledgers, that is sundry creditors, debtors, and your account taxation ledgers, all your stock items, all your opening balances, all your closing balances will get affected. So for that you need to be very careful, very accurate data required, very precisely you need to get the data, you need to complete to get data export activity for from Tally to ERPNext, because this all impact will goes directly to your profit and loss account, your balance sheet, and if something is happened incorrectly or something is linked get wrongly, then your entire financial data will get affected. So before doing any migration from Tally to ERPNext, or before you need to get an integration activity from Tally to ERPNext, you need to be very careful for the same. So thank you